Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to place order on 1688 app without using any agent. But before we get to the practical started, if you are brand new to this channel guys, please remember to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you how you too can be a successful self-independent importer, that is an importation you do without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. You can join my premium class on that if you have interest, okay? Lastly but not the least, if you have any question as far as this tutorial today is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I'm going to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, okay? So in today's class guys, I'm going to teach you how to place order on 1688 app. So let's get started. Okay, so you can see from the screen here, this is my 1688 app. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so this is how it's going to open up when you have successfully installed and you successfully download and install the app, and you have logged in with your Taobao member name and Taobao password. So this is how the interface of the app is going to look like. So you can scroll down and see more products as far as this app is concerned. So let me scroll down. You can see now, let's say for instance I need to purchase this particular bicycle here, okay, so let's say I need to purchase it. So what you need to do is to click on the product link, which is this one here. You can click on the product link. Sorry for the interruption. So you can click on the product link, okay. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now, when you click on the product link, there are things you need to consider before you can actually purchase from a particular supplier. So one of the things you need to consider is the quality of the product, and having considered the quality of the product, you need to chat up with the supplier to know about if there is going to be a further reduction as far as the price on the item is concerned on the internet, okay? Now, for you to understand all these things I'm trying to put in order, so I'm going to explain it step by step in a practical way so that you guys can get what I'm trying to say about quality evaluation and chatting of the supplier, and for a possible price negotiation before you can actually place your order. These things are very much important before you can place order on 1688, okay. Now let's start from the product. You can see the product price here is 160 RMB, okay. Now the 25 RMB here is the cost of shipping from this supplier warehouse to your shipping address in China. So that is the first two things you need to understand. Now another thing to understand for this particular page is that you need to know if the supplier has a minimum MOQ. That is, what minimum MOQ simply means that the number of products you can buy, okay. So now another thing to consider here is you can see the MOQ here is just one. This is MOQ. So you need to understand that some supplier, they don't sell just one product. So, but this supplier here can sell just one of these particular bicycle. So you need to consider that. You need to know the MOQ of a product before you can place a successful order with any supplier. Okay. Now, having understand that, the next thing you need to know, you can check the product picture. You can sweep and see more product. All you have to do is to sweep to this side, then you see more product picture. Okay. So I'm going to sweep more. You can see more product picture in different color. Okay. So these are the real editable picture. Okay. Now, Another thing you can do to assess the quality of a product before you can actually make your purchase decision. If the supplier upload product video, you can just tap on play icon here, just click on it, and the product video will begin to play. So let me just click on it and see. Wow, you can see that this is the product picture. The product video. You can see how children are ride this bicycle, and this bicycle here, according to the statement by this supplier, states that this bicycle meant for between the age of 2 to 3 and 4 to 6 children that can use this particular bicycle. So now you have understand the MOQ, you have understand the product price, and you have understand the cost of shipping, the cost of local shipping from your supplier to your shipping company warehouse. So the next thing you need to consider is that you need to check what other people say about the product before you can determine that, oh, I'm going to buy from this particular supplier. So you need to scroll down. Now, when you get to this point here, you have to click on that. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when you click on it, it's going to open up in another interface. You can see from the screen right here. Now, this is just the previous buyer that have already bought this particular product in the past. You can see here we have 20 plus review. And all the review here, you can see it is 5-star review. You can see. Now, one of the things you to consider to detect a genuine buyer from a particular store is to check their ID. You can see this particular buyer ID is not the same as this buyer ID. They are not quite different. So this is number one thing, the number one signal to let you know that these are not a fake review. So now let me scroll down and check more. These are another people that buy from this supplier. You can see this person here and this person here, their IDs are not the same. You can see, and this one here is not the same with this, and this one here is not the same with this. So all these signals is giving you a green light that you can buy from the supplier, which simply means that the product is of quality product. You can see that this buyer here give this supplier 4-star review, while this one here give 5-star review. This one here give 5-star review, and also this one here give 5-star review, and likewise this one here give 5-star review. So with all this, about 20 previous buyer cannot make a very wrong choice. The overall review of this product here is 88.0%. So this is more quite okay to determine the quality of the product. Another thing to do to determine the quality product is that you can click on the picture uploaded by the previous buyers. These are the example of the picture uploaded by the previous buyer. These are the people that have already bought it in the past and they have used it, and they upload the picture so that to guide the so as to guide the prospective buyer. So what I'm going to do is to just click on the product picture here. Then we see the real live picture of the product. You can see that the color, the size, and everything still the same as the way the supplier portrayed it on internet on the access page. So you can sweep to this angle to see more more preview of the picture. So you can see this is the blue one. So this is the pink one, the blue, the red, the blue, and so on. So now with all this one, now if you still need to do your further investigation, for your further review as far as the quality product is concerned, you can just go to your iTranslator to translate all these Chinese character so that you'll be able to understand what these people are trying to say. Okay, so I will go to my phone screen now and turn on my dictionary to translate into English language. So let's go. So here we are. This is my iDictionary. Okay, I'm going to click on it right away and make it active. So when you click on it, this is how it's going to open up. Then you have to click on here to make it active. Next, you have to click on here. Now you can see that the iDictionary is ready to be used. It has been active. You can see it right here. So this is the icon from my phone screen here. So now we go back to our 1688 app. So here we go. Now what you're going to do now is to use the iDictionary to translate the Chinese character so that you understand what the previous buyer are trying to say. So I'm going to drag it to this place. So you ask me for set permission, just click on set permissions. Click on anywhere around. Then you have to tap on here. Then you have to turn on the iDictionary from that button. So I'm going to click on it right away. Then you click on OK. Now the iDictionary is ready to be used, so we can go back to 1688 half. So here we go. Now I'm going to take this. I'm going to take my iDictionary to this place now. Okay, you can see the translation. The translation here say bicycle is very beautiful, good quality, logistic is very fast. One spot to give little nephew and little nephew of the like very much. Still in this assembly, cannot help but want to write. So this is just what this buyer have to say about it. So we can tap on here to read more information about the product, about the previous review by different buyer. So let's scroll down and see what this one here say. So this one say quality is okay. Now another thing to consider as far as quality review is concerned is that you need to check the dates, different dates by which different buyer bought the goods. Now look at this date here. This one bought it 2nd of March 2021. Another says here September 2020. Another one here states that 10th December 2020. Another one here 13th of April 2021. Another one here 20th March 2021. You can see that the rate of purchase, the gap interval, they are not related to one another. There are quite a wide gap between them, so that these are the things you need to consider before you can decide to purchase from any particular supplier on 1688. So now once you are satisfied and once you are ascertain the quality of the product, you have assessed everything you need to consider before you can purchase from the particular supplier. So the next thing you can do is to chat up the supplier for further information as far as the product is concerned. So let's go back to the sales page. Now here is the sales page. So what you need to do, you can scroll down and see more graphic detail of the product. That's another thing to see. So you can scroll down and I think my internet is very slow here. Okay. So you can see more graphic details of the product. This is the pink one, and this is the another pink, and this is the blue one. You can see it here. This is the blue one. Okay. Let's scroll down and see more. This is another color, and this is another color. It's another color. You can check more information about the sizes of the bicycles. So these are the sizes, centimeters. And sorry for this talk. So you can scroll down and then scroll down and check more graphics details of the product. Now, after you check all these things, you can still talk to the supplier. It is very much okay for you to chat supplier before you can make your purchase decision. So for you to chat with the supplier, you have to do is to click on this blue icon here, that is Alewangwan. So when you click on it, it's going to open up your chat box. Then you can type in your whatever question you have for the supplier. Type in it here. You can type in English, type in hello. But in some cases, if the supplier does not understand English language, you need to type in Chinese character, so you can send hello. So if they are online, they will reply you immediately. But if they are not online with you within some minutes, they will get back to you for a further business chat. So you can ask for live product picture of this particular bicycle if you are not convinced enough by what review you have done online. Wow, you can see that the supplier, they are online, so you can see they reply me instantly. So now you can further continue the chat with them. If but to save this time of this tutorial, I will just go back to the sales page and see one other thing we can do. Now, having do all these things, chatting with the supplier, assess the quality of the product, you have understand the minimum order quantity of the product, you have understand the local shipping fee of the product. The next thing to do is to place your order and make payment on 1688 app. So what you're going to do now is to click on this big red bar here. You click on here to place order. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now at this point here, when you get to this page, you can see that this product here has different color. Now the first one here is the color you are seeing on the display here. Okay, now if I tap on this page, it's going to give us another color. So if I tap on here, so you can see the display, the color change to this one here. Okay, now if I tap on the third one here, which is this one here, if I tap on it, so it's going to give us another color. You can see this is the blue color. Sorry, this is the blue color. Okay, now if I tap on the last one here, which is this one here, so it's going to give us another color. Let me click on it. Now you can see this one here. Oh, sorry. So this one here gives us this particular color at the same price. Okay, now if I sweep again, you can see more products with different color. Now if I tap on this one here, it's going to give us another color. Let's see. So you can see this one here give us this particular color at the same price. Okay, now let's say for instance I need one color of blue and then one color of pink. What you're going to do is that you need to, first thing you need to consider is that you need to know if all these goods are available in stock. Now for you to know if goods are available in stock, you need to check it here. So these are the number of goods available in stock. For age 12, they have 120 pieces of this color. So for age 14, they have 130 of this color. So for age 16, they have 140 of this color. So for age 18, they have 150 of this color. Okay, this is how it goes. Now let's say for instance I need this color age 14, I need just one. So you need to just tap on here. This is 14, then you tap on here. So I'm going to tap on it. So I have purchased one of this color for age 14 at a price of 130 RMB. Now this is telling you that the ages of the ages people that need to use this bicycle price are not the same. So if you are choosing age 14, you are as a one quantity for age 14, you are paying 130 RMB. Now let's say we need one of age 18. We need one. from this box here, you need to click on here. So if I tap on it, you can see now that this is skyrocket from 130 RMB to 280. Now, this simply means that I have bought one of this, then one of this one here, so one of this, then one of this color. Okay, at the edge of this and the edge of this. Okay, now this is how you do everything for other color and how you select different products, different size, different color and all that. So when you are satisfied with your order placement, you have fully understand what you need to do, and the next thing you have to do is to tap on here to place your order. I'm going to click on it right away. So the order is going to open up here. You can see right here that for the age 14, we place order of 1 at a price of 130 RMB for 1. Then for age 18, it costs 150 RMB to purchase 1. Okay, so everything all together become so everything all together plus local shipping. This local shipping here is 50 RMB. So this plus this will give us total cost of 330 RMB. Now, so if you add this one, you add this one plus, okay, these three figures, you add them together, is going to give you, so you add this one plus shipping fee, that is the local shipping fee, is going to give us the total cost at the bottom here. Okay, now this is the amount we are going to pay. So this is the amount we are going to pay, 330 RMB. Now for you to make payment, all you have to do is to click on here. So I'm going to click on it right now. So it's going to load up like this. You can see the price we are going to pay for this product here is 330 RMB for these two bicycle. Now you can see a default settings here. Default payment setting here is Alipay, which is what I'm going to make to use as a means of my payment. So when you select Alipay as a means of payment, the next thing you have to do is to tap on this red big bar at the bottom here. So this one here, click on that. So your Alipay is going to connect and ready to make payment. So you can see now this is the amount I'm going to pay, and this is my card where Alipay is going to deduct the money from my card. Finally, I have to click on here to make payment. But when you, this is the amount, this is the card we are going to be charged, and this is the link I'm going to click to make payment. So when I click on the payment, they're going to ask me for payment password. I'm going to enter my payment password, and finally Alipay is going to deduct 330 RMB from my Alipay account. So guys, this is how you're going to place order using 1688 app from beginning to the end. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, click on the like button, and also if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you can be a self-independent importer or how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk about the premium class only if you have interest. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.